Hi everybody. Last month when we visited Forrest Fenn, he got to talking about how he likes to use punctuation.
In my Eric Sloan book, in 2 different places, Eric Sloan wrote so many books, and I take a picture of maybe 10 books and on the right-hand side of my page, just the covers. And in 2 different places in the book, I'd make a sentence and put a colon there, and then show all these book covers. But you can't end a sentence with a colon, so way down here by the page number, I put a period. In other words, I put the book covers as part of my sentence, and English people don't like that.
Drives them crazy, huh?
Another thing I did that I'd never heard of before was I finished a sentence as a caption to a painting. They hate that. But it's called creative writing. I mean, I can get by with it because I'm not supposed to know anything. And I don't know so much. I mean, I learned about so many words. The American people don't know the definition of a lot of words that they use every day.
Right.
Like several, S-E-V-E-R-A-L. What does that mean?
More than a couple?
No.
No?
It means more than 2, but not very many.
Okay.
If you stopped 100 people on the street, they couldn't tell you the definition of that word.
Okay.
Watching Forrest Fenn tell that story, you could just see his eyes light up, and really enjoyed meeting with him and visiting with him. I got such a kick out of that video clip that I thought I would share it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it too. Talk to you guys later.
Some people have written books, some have a great look that covers the magazines for kids who are 17. But I don't know what to do. I'm staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Some, they are certain of what awaits them when it all ends. But I don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered in a century? Or will I be forgotten like dust in the wind? Or the talk of the town that we are living in? Well, I don't know. I don't know. How could I know what lies ahead of me? Am I part of a